Hello and welcome to our Logan. But first, before we start the video, I want to say that we're in a new house with a corner settee. And I'm sat right in the corner. This is my spot. And this is a Aston Martin DB5, but you might remember it from James Bond. And it's the exact silver, but it's also from Fast and Furious too. So it's from two movies, Bond and Fast and Furious. How good's that? But anyway, let's start unboxing. Aha! Ka-ching! Actually quite heavy, like the bat plane I did. Spin. This is the best spy car ever. Wait a minute. It has rubber wheels.
That's it. They have tyres.
Yeah, rubber wheels.
Tyres.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
It's cool, that, isn't it?
Yeah. Best spy car in England. They also have a Esprit, a Lotus Esprit. S1, which can go underneath the water, which is also from James Bond.
Do you know what that one also reminds me of?
No.
Finn McMissile.
Oh yeah.
That's what he looks like.
Yeah. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. And also hit that notification bell. Bye.